Hello everyone! I have not one but two phones to unbox today, the Asus ROG Phone 5 and the Asus ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. But it doesn't stop there. Look at all this other stuff they sent me. There's so many things to unbox. Let's get to it. Can you guys see me still? All right, so let's start with the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. Let's take a quick look at the box. We got Republic Gamer on one side. Retroactive cooler. All right, this is different, much different design than last year, but it does have a kickstand. That is a wall charger. Oh, I know what these are for. Anyone who's used an ROG phone knows what these are for. They have that side port on the phone that does have this little rubber piece. Once in a while, you might lose that rubber piece, so you get an extra one or two. You get two extra rubber pieces there. Stickers, a little kind of frosted clear case. Let's open up the phone somewhere. Wow, this looks so good. I think this might be the most attractive ROG phone in my book so far. I love it. It's very sporty, even more so than gamery. It's got a little 0.5 on the back. Under the camera, it says, I think 64 megapixel quad. All right, and then Republic of Gamers, and then kind of in like a glossy white, it says for those who dare. So they're sticking with that this year. I love the little blue accent here. That is so cool. Here, let's actually put on our Aero Active cooler real quick too. Those are going to be probably putting on a lot of accessories. You can see again, it's got that USB-C side port there. It looks like it has more, these pens here look new, or different, I should say. So then this would go like this and sit on there. Oh wow, that is a beefy cooler. Look at that cooler. Wow. All right, here is the ROG Phone 5, not the Ultimate, not the limited edition. We'll see what's in there. Let's take a look. Looks a little bit more like a traditional phone box. It says ROG 5, kind of pixelated 80s style. It's kind of cool. ROG Phone 5. Again, we get the really pretty graphics, almost like a graphic novel against this cardboard. It feels so good. The ROG 5 is also for those who dare. Let's see what we got inside here. The ROG 5 comes with a case. Looks like a backing, let's say, in the case. This one's black, or it's black. It's obviously plastic. Got a little bit, not quite a carbon fiber vibe, but we got some stickers in here. Take the phone next. And then what do we got on the bottom here? A little tab here. Cool. Here is a US charger, USB-C cable, and that is it. Again, this fills a little more of the language we saw with the ROG Phone 3. It's just black. All right, so I really kind of dig the little kind of 80s punk pop art accents here with kind of like the hot pink with, it says ROG. We have 05 for ROG 5. Established in 2006, Republic of Gamers is what it says. And then we have like a really cool pixelated logo pattern. And again, under the camera bump, it says 64 megapixel quad Bayer. I'm guessing that's the sensor. I'm getting yes, it's using pixel binning. And let me put the case on real quick. All right, there's the case. I mean, it's definitely plastic, but it's got like a rough finish to it. It's an interesting texture. All right, here they are, side by side on our lovely top-down camera. I really like the finish on the ROG 5 Ultimate. I'm kind of digging the pop arty vibe of this phone as well. All right, let me just hold them side by side here. For all intents and purposes, they feel the same size. The phones are off to the side. Let's open up some of these other boxes here. All right, so first thing I got is this, and let's see here. It's a gamepad. All right, gamepad. So one of the best parts about the ROG Phone series is the amazing amount of accessories that Asus has for their phones. All right, there's something here. Looks like we have another case. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, so this case is again plastic case, but this one has some contacts on the sides. I'm gonna guess is for the game controller. Little carrying case. This will look familiar to anybody who's played video games in the last 20 years. You got like a little holder here. And I think that's all. Ah, no, more. We have a monster cable here. It looks like USB-C to USB-A. All these little pockets. We have a gamepad instruction manual, user guide, excuse me. So this is the CNET 3 gamepad. It has this really cool travel case. Oh wow, look at that. That is nice. That is good. Cool, so you have a place to charge here. Then these come off. Cool. Put this in here. So there's a little USB-C connector on the bottom, on the inside here. And now I have it on my phone. This way here. And this should just slide in. And this should slide in as well. I have my gamepad here. See, my phone is officially lit up, indicating it is a gaming phone. I got my 4 buttons, X, Y, A, and B. The D-pad, 2 joysticks, and then a couple other buttons here. I'm guessing one of these is lock. I got shoulder buttons, and I got trigger buttons, and then I got these kind of paddles underneath too. So that is the CNET 3 gamepad. I'm going to leave that on, and I'm going to put that over to the side here. The other thing you could do is you could plug it into here and have the stick. So now you're just using it as a separate controller. Let's just show that off real quick before I move on. Cool. All right, next up, we got another AeroActive cooler here. And this one is the same that came with the Ultimate. So the Ultimate comes with one. The regular 5 does not. Here is our AeroActive cooler. Next up, we have some headphones, the ROG Cetra II Core. All right, let's open this up. Oh, look at it, I got a little carry case here. And then the actual headphones themselves. All right, and of course they have a headphone connector for those who may have missed it on phones, because the ROG phones do indeed have a headphone jack. Very good. We get also some documentation here. They feel good. Got a nice little weight to them. Are you guys a fan of this kind of style of headphones? It really comes out of your ear. Good shape. Let's get to this big box here. What is in here? It just says fan gift collection. So we'll find out. All right, let's see what we got in here. Okay, we got some swag. Look at this. Look at this. This is fun. All right. Oh man, we got some really cool patches here. We have a mask cover. Cool. We have a Republic of Gamers mask. It's just another sign of the times, guys. I could be safe and still dare. So we have some ROG playing cards here. Look at this. It's some building blocks that are plastic and not by a certain company. Look at this. We got our ROG Republic of Gamers hat here. Yeah. Yeah. They threw in the towel. We have an ROG towel here. Republic of Gamers. Look at that. And that looks like it's it for all the stuff we got. I can't even fit all the boxes up here, but we have so many things. We have the game controller. We have the face mask, the Aero Active controller, the CNET gamepad. We have the two phones. I try to put everything I unbox in one shot. I know it looks a little insane, but that's why ROG and Asus do it right. So what do you think of the two new phones, the ROG Phone 5 and ROG 5 Ultimate? Are you interested in getting either one? Would you pick one over the other? I gotta say, just based off the looks, I'm really drawn to the ROG 5 Ultimate. And I gotta say, I'm digging my hat. So throw your thoughts in the comments. That's all I got.